Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Frogger board game. First, let's get everything ready. The main goal is to safely guide your 3 frog tokens across a challenging board. This board has a starting area, a busy road, a flowing river, and 5 safe home spaces at the top. Each player selects a color and places their 3 frog tokens on their designated starting lily pad. This initial setup takes just a moment, preparing you for the exciting journey ahead. Now let's talk about taking your turn. Each player rolls a single 6-sided die and then moves one of their frog tokens the corresponding number of spaces. When moving across the road, your frog can advance forward, move backward, or shift sideways, 1 space at a time. However, navigating the river is trickier. Your frog must land directly onto a log or a turtle to stay safe and continue its journey. The journey across the board is full of exciting challenges. If your frog token lands on a car, or if a car token moves onto your frog space, that frog is immediately sent back to its starting lily pad. Similarly, if your frog falls into the water on the river section, it also returns to the start. Be mindful of the turtles. They can submerge, so ensure your frog moves off a turtle before it dives underwater. The ultimate goal is to get your frog safely home. To do this, a frog must land precisely on one of the 5 empty home spaces located at the very top of the game board. Once a frog successfully reaches a home space, it is secure and cannot be moved or affected by other game elements. The very first player who manages to guide all 3 of their frog tokens into these safe home spaces is declared the winner of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.